Hey guys, it's time to see some cool gadgets from all over the web. So today we'll show you a camera for your Apple Watch and a couple of bracelets you might need for a cosplay party. Okay, we've got a bunch of things for the most epic Marvel party. Oh, and get ready for the richest sound ever. All the links to the products you'll find in the description box. This is definitely a must for every Xbox Series S owner. Your console now has its own built-in display that travels with you everywhere. How does it work? Extremely simple. Just plug the accessory into the HDMI and USB ports and secure the side latches. The only cable you need is the power cord. This thing fully matches the original Xbox design. When folded, it's as portable as a laptop. Most importantly, you get a crystal clear 11.6-inch display that features 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second. Plus, the gadget is equipped with stereo speakers along with some controls for your volume and brightness. Using the additional stand feet, you'll be able to place the Xbox vertically to add some viewing height. You might also get the stylish colored latches and the carrying case for your screen and controller. Cool. Yet long sitting in front of this thing may affect your eyesight. Don't worry, guys from Glassy Eyewear have special glasses to address that issue. So what's the best thing about them, you may ask? Well, it's definitely the lenses with their blue light blocking technology. It blocks out the blue light the computer's screens emit. Watching the video, working, or playing for hours, you're getting blue light into your eyes. All that screen time affects our body and mind, such as eye strain, headaches, insomnia, and so on. That's why you need a pair of such glasses to combat all these problems. As for the frames, they're crafted from a Swiss thermoplastic and metal spring hinges for a more comfortable fit. That's really important if you're spending hours in front of your screen. There are several options to choose from, so pick one you like the best. Hurry up and click the link in the description box to improve your screen time. Bulky and clumsy vacuums have already gone to the past. This innovative vacuum is completely handheld and really powerful at the same time. It uses cyclonic action to quickly remove all sorts of dust and debris. Everything that goes inside passes through a 3-stage filtration system. There's a fairly large 15-ounce dust bowl that can be easily washed with water. But above all, this vacuum features a wide pivoting nozzle which gives you 200 degrees of unprecedented versatility. Use the included crevice tool and brush to clean up various surfaces. The gadget is powered by a lithium battery that doesn't fade over time. Plus, it comes with a handy tabletop charging base. And here's a similar model that's made especially for pet owners. The motorized rubber bristles lift the pet hair from your floor and carpet. Everything is within your reach thanks to this large extendable nozzle. The dustbin in this vacuum is a bit bigger, it's 25 ounces. Once it gets full, a single touch will be enough for cleaning. Now we have all types of fun and cool gadgets, but this one is really important. It's a tourniquet that might be extremely helpful in case of emergency. Unlike the regular ones, this thing is equipped with Velcro tape, which makes it much easier to apply. And there's a special adjustment handle that lets you quickly stop the bleeding. So all you have to do is tighten the tourniquet, turn the lever a few times, and fix the strap with Velcro. You'll also find an additional buckle for the extra part left outside. When you're done, use the integrated scale to mark the application time. This tourniquet can be applied both over the clothes and next to the skin. You should definitely keep this thing at hand, especially while traveling. The lightsaber of the infamous Anakin Skywalker is now available for everyone, and it's not just a fancy model. It's made for actual intergalactic duels. The saber features a shatterproof polycarbonate blade along with an aerospace-grade aluminum hilt. You'll also get customizable lighting and sound effects for a fully immersive experience. Just press and hold the power button to toggle between them. During the battle, the lightsaber will react to each of your moves. On top of that, the built-in LEDs support various bright colors, and there are several length options to choose from, reaching up to 36 inches. The saber runs on regular batteries and works around 4 hours, and disassembling is a matter of seconds. Keeping your lawn nicely mowed will be much easier from now on. Here's a groundbreaking robot that does all the work completely on its own. It boasts a powerful brushless motor along with a rechargeable battery that allows cordless operation. Just set the area, time, and the grass length you prefer most. 1 to almost 3 inches. This lawnmower easily handles both level terrain and rolling hills, successfully avoiding various obstacles. The large battery allows cutting a quarter-acre on one charge, and if it drains, the robot will find its way to the charging base and then get back to work. Of course, this seamless operation will require some preparations. You'll have to install and secure the docking station, do the wiring, and clear the area. Setting the clock and security code is really easy thanks to the integrated display. That's it. Another major point is how quiet this thing is. You can even use it at night. And no worries about safety, the robot stops automatically in front of your pet or any other object. Plus, there's a special button that lets you stop the lawnmower immediately. This is the personal gardener you always wanted. At last, Apple Watch is getting its own camera. All it takes is this new innovative strap. Featuring a dual camera system, it allows you to shoot selfies, make video calls, or capture anything around you in 1080p quality. Both cams are equipped with LED lights so you know when exactly the record is on. With 8 GB of internal storage, you can save hundreds of photos right on the strap. This thing is fully waterproof as well. The built-in battery will easily get you through a full day of use, plus the strap comes with a magnetic charging cable, which is really handy. Despite all these crazy features, the strap somehow still weighs less than an ounce. And since it works with Siri, you can even use it hands-free. And here are some little cubes that'll take your home devices to the next level. First, there's this basic version that solves a common and really annoying issue: the lack of spare sockets. There are 5 outlets on the sides of this cube, allowing you to charge several devices at a time. The cube comes with a special mounting dock that sticks to any smooth surface, like your desk, floor, or bookshelf, and the 5-foot power cable makes sure you can place it right where you need it. All these sockets are childproof, which is great news for big families. Next comes the slightly improved cube that features 4 regular outlets along with 2 USB ports. Both of them have 5-volt output, and the cable in this one is extended to 10 feet. You couldn't wish for more. Also, multiple cubes can be stacked together so all the family members could plug in freely. And here's the coolest cube, the one with a built-in on-off switch. Now you can easily turn off all your devices and stop wasting energy. Additionally, the cube can be paired with this cool remote control or even several ones. Setting them up is actually a matter of seconds. The adhesive on the back lets you put the remotes in the most convenient places. You can even step on them when your hands are busy. Using the dedicated mobile app, you'll be able to create personalized schedules, shortcuts, and automations for each cube. And on top of all that, you might get these extremely handy sensor remotes. One of them is able to sense your presence and turn the lights on or shut them when you leave, all by itself. And the other one reacts to various sounds. Just clap your hands and watch the magic happen. Let's go back to the 90s with this really cool hard drive enclosure. Using a SATA to USB 3.0 protocol, it provides a transfer speed of 5 gigabits per second. UASP is supported as well, which is great for your backups. As for the capacity, this thing is suited for all hard drives with up to 4 terabytes of storage. Plus, the gadget is compatible with virtually any platform, from Windows to Mac OS to TV and PS4. There's a built-in LED indicator that shows you the transfer status, and when the device doesn't work for 10 minutes, it'll shut down automatically. Old style, new features. This is what your future pet might look like. Your new friend boasts a built-in gyroscope along with a wide-angle camera and Bluetooth speakers. Unlike an actual dog, this one can be easily controlled from a PC. You might use Xbox controller as well as your keyboard and mouse. Even a mobile device will do. Thanks to the digital twin on your screen, it's no harder than a video game. Despite the compact size, the robot's able to carry 3 pounds of weight. Feel free to move it in all 12 degrees. Plus, you can install Lego pieces on the pet's back. But the PC version is even cooler. It actually features an integrated Windows PC with a quad-core Intel processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and some outputs, including HDMI and 3 USBs. That means you can connect all types of accessories and turn this thing into a beast. A tactical laser or the 7-inch touchscreen are just some of the options. And lastly, the PC version stands out with onboard AI that allows autonomous actions without the human operator. So it gets really close to an actual dog. Smart Home starts right at your doorstep, with the Bell actually. This one will let you see everything in front of your house in 1080p quality. The live video is transferred right to your device screen, whether it's Android or iOS. The ultra-wide 180-degree angle makes sure no one will pass unnoticed. Moreover, you can talk to your guests remotely and hear them as well. No need to get up off the couch. You can also set this thing to send you motion alerts by tracking specific areas. If there's any suspicious activity, you'll get an instant notification. In addition, this thing is able to see in the dark using infrared night vision, and it's fully compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Nice. Now, this isn't a fashion channel, but this speaker is definitely haute couture. Yes, it's an original gadget by the notorious Louis Vuitton. The whole thing is crafted from stainless steel and high-quality leather, and the colorful LED lighting make it look even cooler. Speaker quality is no less premium, 360-degree surround sound along with some really deep bass. 3 integrated mics allow hands-free phone calls. You can place the speaker on its rubber feet or use the included dock. The package also includes a wrist strap and carrying pouch. The speaker features wireless connectivity via Bluetooth 5.1 and AirPlay 2. When fully charged, it'll give you up to 15 hours of playtime. That's how rich sound looks like. Every Ben 10 fan will immediately recognize the Omnitrix. Well, this one won't transform your DNA, but it still emits that green light when you push the button. Just don't forget to insert the batteries beforehand. There are several color options and straps to choose from. It may be either EVA foam or polyurethane plastic or just nylon. It's up to you. But if you're more into Death Stranding, here's the bracelet that Sam Bridges uses in the video game. The battery is rechargeable here. The cable is included in the package. Push the button to switch the blue LED light on and off. As for the lock, the magnets hold the bracelet securely on your hand. These are the best cosplay items you could ever imagine. It's time for the Grand Marvel Party. Do we have Iron Man fans in here? Here's a couple of faceplates you might be interested in. Some of them look a bit simpler, some are a bit more complicated. There's even a damaged version to look more epic. Of course, all of them are equipped with bright LEDs. Just in case the plate is not enough, there's a 1-to-1 replica of the helmet Tony used to test and explore all aspects of armor performance. We also have a pair of gloves for a complete look. The joints of the fingers are connected by elastic materials to make them bend. Since metal is not flexible, some people may not be able to wear it if your palm is too big, but this glove can still be used as a perfect ornament. And here we have a complete set for Captain America fans. So let's start with a Super Soldier Serum. The box contains 6 serums. Oh, and do you remember his compass with Peggy Carter? Yep, we have it. It's made of zinc alloy and it's 100% real. Before he performed the task numerous times, he took out Peggy's photo and watched it for a long time. Who knows, maybe it might help you to make a decision one day. But let's move to the most significant thing, the shield. Here we have an ordinary and a damaged version. Well, yeah, a really damaged version. Well, Cap's battles weren't that easy anyway. If you want something extraordinary, there's a shield that was designed and built by Iron Man's father, Howard Stark, and has a complex structure inside. Looks cool, no? Okay, here's the shield that Black Panther created for Captain America. This one incorporates Wakanda's advanced technology, which can be flexibly deformed according to the needs of the war. And what's that? Yup, it's the Eye of Agamotto. An awesome amulet, the top talisman, the most excellent eye, bling from beyond. Call it what you will, but no Doctor Strange costume would be complete without it. Hang it from your neck, clasp it to your cloak, or display it in your trophy room next to your orb. And if you want to generate the shields and weapons, you can't go without the orange shield spell disc. It's manually rotated, but hey, Doctor Strange didn't get sassy and did all that with his hands too. Maybe you're more into villains. We've got a Tesseract stone. Loki stole it in the endgame. This is a replica made from epoxies and LED lights, but look at how detailed it is. Finally, we've got something for the Winter Soldier fans. This is a 1-to-1 replica of the bombs Bucky Barnes won't differ himself. We're lucky they won't explode. Please, please, please call us to that epic party.